Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a front handspring on my trampoline. Of course, if you don't have a trampoline, you can still use some of these tips to help you get a front handspring. So I need my sister here to help me because she taught me how to do it. She's videotaping, and let's get started. So this is what a front handspring looks like, and I'm just going to show you it and then show you some tips and tricks to getting it. So that's what it looks like. So when you start with your arms up like this, and then you bounce a little bit, then you jump onto them, you push using your shoulders, you swing your legs back, and you clear like this, just like this. And here is the tip that helped me get my front handspring. It was the only thing I was missing.
Okay, so most people, when they try to get their front handspring, they start off well, but then they land kind of like this.
That's exactly what I was doing.
The best trick to fixing this is thinking about pushing your legs like a mermaid.
So right now, we're going to show you the most important tip, well, for me. This is exactly how I got my front handspring. I guess it's called the mermaid technique. One person is going to hold your legs up. You're going to try to push them back down without sticking your butt up like that. It's really, really hard, and most likely it won't happen. But if you think about that when you're doing your front handspring, you'll get it perfectly and you'll land on your feet. So first I'm jumping to get some power, and then I'm going to jump onto my hands and push off my shoulders and swing my legs back. That's what really gets me standing up and come up. Usually I just fall over, but with swinging my legs, it brings me up perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and join the dance family. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I give shout outs to the dance family winners on Fridays. So here's the shout out for this week right there. Don't forget to subscribe to them, give them support, like those, comment, and do all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.